This is my sister Maureen, and we are at the place to pick up our Amazon mystery boxes. Mosey, what do we got there?
Well, we got a lot of them. We got the big ones that are 50, the smaller ones that are 25, and he was saying that the two little ones do not make up a big one. Like the big ones are much better.
What are we going to pick up today?
We'll pick up some big boxes, so we'll probably take
So we're going to take a couple of these back to Maureen's place and open them up. We'll get back to you back there, and you'll see what we got. Welcome to the video production of And Now What? This is my sister Mosey. You saw her in the earlier pictures. We went down to Amazon and decided that we were going to buy a mystery box. We ended up buying two. So we're going to open one, and if it's lots of fun, we'll open the other one. So just hang on while we give this a bit of a slice open. Nice, Mo. It's not very sharp.
I did the bottom, do the top first, yeah.
It's Christmas. Christmas in, what is it?
Surrey, downtown Surrey.
Christmas in Surrey.
Langley.
Christmas in Langley.
Beautiful downtown Langley.
Let's have a look and see what we got. We spent $50 on this. Love builds a happy home.
Stencil. It's a stencil.
It's a stencil. She knows all this stuff. I don't know what. Okay. How much would we pay for that?
They're probably a couple bucks.
Couple bucks. Okay. So we spent 50. There's two. What the heck is this? Open that up for me,
Looks
Mosey.
like a jewelry
see what we got.
box or something.
I don't know. Let's see what we get.
Something from China.
This is glass liquid craft boxes.
Oh,
What do we get?
I can't open this. I gotta get my scissors.
In the eyedroppers?
I can't get this open.
We got about 50 in eyedroppers. That's probably about $5. Set that off to the side there.
You have to open this. I can't.
I gotta open that?
Yeah. I should have brought some scissors.
Grab some scissors here. She'll be right back. Trust me. We'll get that open. What else we got here? Oh yeah, we're gonna need scissors for all.
That looks like a scarf.
Here, give that a cut and see what we got.
That looks like. Oh, here. This one just opens.
Here, let me see your scissors. We'll open up this one. If you hear any laughing in the background here, we got my sister's husband sitting over here. He's getting a big kick out of this. Hi, Mike.
How you doing?
Oh, this is a.
What do we got? It's something like a Harley scarf, isn't it? Or a...
Oh.
Put it on. See how it looks.
Oh, no,
Come on.
it goes over your head. It's for bald heads.
It's a bald head cover. That's got to be worth a couple of bucks.
It's either that or you could use it for a scarf or a neck warmer.
Well, you know
That
what?
one says, yeah.
They packaged this way too well.
That says ring on it.
Is it a ring?
Yes, that's what it says.
What do we get here? It's a ring.
It is a ring.
What do you think that's worth, Mosey?
I don't know, but it looks adorable. It's called.
Wow. This is something. I don't know if you guys are having fun, but it's sort of like Christmas for us early.
This is a. Look at this. It's actually quite beautiful. It's a ring.
Remember, that came out of my box, so don't
Yeah,
try and
it's your
steal it. The good thing about doing this at my sister's house, I'm just chucking all the garbage on the ground. I don't have to clean it. Maureen,
That's the ring. It's nice black. It's beautiful.
look what I got here. Two leather bags.
Oh my gosh.
They're made
Oh
out of
my
leather.
gosh.
Probably plastic leather, but what do we got there? $5? $8? I don't know.
Yeah. Oh, they're backpacks, aren't they?
I don't.
They're like a
What the
backpack. Oh,
heck
but they're big.
is...
Holy crow. Yeah, they're nice purses.
Okay, so
Or bags, whatever you want to call it.
I think they put this in here just so we get the weight out of it. I don't know what this is. Are those just a bunch of magnets, right?
Yes, but they'll be for something.
They're strong. Bunch of magnets.
No, doesn't say.
Well, let's...
But they're magnets.
Couple bucks. What else we got?
These are for crafting, though. People have those machines that they stamp with, and that's what those are for, magnets.
A ancient Pokemon metal card.
Oh my gosh.
I gotta
Oh
find
my
some.
gosh.
We gotta have some kid in our family we can give that away to, right?
Yes, ancient Pokemon
It's
card.
a Pokemon card.
Limited supply. New. Oh, it's Mewtwo, which is, I think that's Dorian's. I think that's the one he does. But it's a,
Oh,
it's,
that's where
it's,
you go find coconut?
yeah.
Well, look at this. I don't want this because it'll put me to work. This is we got some handy dandy tape here.
Is that like a,
It's like a plastic rubber tape, whatever. It's 3M tape. It's got to be worth $3 or $4.
yep.
There you go. Stack her up. Another winner. What did I
Good
throw
catch.
over at you?
Fabric thumb brace.
A fabric thumb brace. Probably for hitchhiking.
Probably if you have a, you know, some people have a bad thumb.
Well, oh, I love the name of this. This is coming from Wang Z. I don't know who Wang Z is, but look what we got here, Mosey. Holy crow.
Oh, it's a good size shirt.
Look at
Oh,
that.
it's a dress. It's
Yes,
a dress.
it's
That's
a
why.
dress. There you go.
Let me see.
That's $10, right?
Yeah, it's actually
Garbage on the floor.
it is
Thank
a
you very
dress.
much. Sure it is. What else we got here? I like it when they give me the unzip ones. It makes it a lot easier. And who's this one from? I have no idea.
This thumb thing, I haven't figured it out yet, but it's a thumb brace, so we'll keep it in the bag. So, oh, I see. Okay, it goes around your wrist and it braces your thumb. So,
Okay, so what do we got here?
another dress or another, yeah, it's a long,
Oh,
it's a floor-length dress. This or like
just what I needed.
that's the kind that Ada wears. Those long.
Okay, now I don't know what the heck this is. You'll have to figure this one out, Mosey. What is this? It's a heel pet. Oh, it's for your dog, I think.
I guess.
It is. It's a fancy walker for the dog.
Oh my gosh.
There you go. Stack that up. See what.
Yeah, it is. It's got the.
And this is a magnifying glass light. Okay.
Oh.
Mike, this is right up your alley. Here, I'll
Look at
give
the
you the
size
box
of it.
for that.
Well, that's for if you want. You can attach it to your table.
Here's the other part of it. That's got to be worth $10, $15,
Oh,
right?
sure.
Is it more than that?
Yep.
Okay, so we're coming up on probably better than half the value of what we spent here already.
So what was it? What's the end part of it, Tim?
What else we got here?
Oh, that's the base of it. Yeah. Okay. Good.
I don't even know what this is. This says it's
That's gotta be 35 or 40 bucks.
is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we just paid 25 for a tiny little one. So yeah. What is that?
This is I don't know. It's made of metal. What is this? Well,
It's a little toolbox.
it's kind of a funny little metal toolbox, jewelry box. I don't know.
And it's like it is metal, so it's definitely sturdy.
Okay, so I don't know what.
With a screwdriver in it and assembly diagram. Yeah.
What are these for?
What are they?
Stick on something. I think they must have thought we needed some clothes because they
Show
kind of loaded us up with stuff.
These are. I wonder if they're those little squeezy things that you know when you're under.
Now this is a nice piece. Wow. That's
Oh, that's just a light.
it's just a nice light outdoor jacket, no sleeves on it.
Like a vest.
Says it's yeah, it's like a vest. There you go, Mo. What the heck?
That's what these were. These
Oh,
are,
just
I think
this
these
is
are-
what I've been looking for. It's a corn peeler.
Oh, you're kidding. Yes, you were. These are little things you add on your keychain. You see? Keychain.
Oh, okay. I think I'll pass on those, but now this is
I'd probably a dog leash too.
well, what is that on the inside of it? I don't know.
Is that a
Oh
cleaner?
yes, it's good for cleaning stuff up, and you
Shoes,
can
your shoe brush.
shoe brush. You can hang it. There we go. That's got to be worth a couple bucks. Here's the
Cute,
cover
aren't
for
they?
that.
Oh, the little prongs. So if you under your shoes, if you get a stone in them.
Oh, perfect. Absolutely perfect. We're just getting started here. What else we got here? What is this? I hope you're having as much fun as we are.
This is great.
How do you like the mess I'm making for you under the table there? Well, here's a
Super.
shirt.
Vintage. Oh, see, they're all small.
Yeah, they're fairly
Original
small
parts
size.
of her. Yeah, they are.
They're not fitting us old fat guys.
Yeah, it says small.
Oh, here we go. This is right up your alley. This is. We got her some leopard slippers.
Look at
All
that.
right.
36, 37. Yeah, they might even. Oh, they might be small,
What is?
but they're a nice slipper.
Oh, some happy birthday cards.
Oh
Excellent.
my gosh. Oh
This
my
is
gosh.
kind of like a birthday
Oh,
present.
they're like little envelopes and stuff. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. And I don't know what this is. Give that an open. We'll get into another bag here and see what we got.
Well,
Well, we did.
That's why it's returned.
We got off of Amazon. And it's returned on second to the people that ordered it originally.
Oh, this is a I think this is a. I'm not sure what this is.
Oh, I know what these are.
I don't think it's underwear, but who knows? Maybe it's men's underwear. Is this men's underwear thong?
Yes, it is. For old people. So we got here a couple of watch straps. Those worth a couple bucks.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, and a little watch cleaner too. Yeah. That's a good idea.
You think we're getting close to about 40 bucks?
Oh, probably.
50 bucks? I don't know.
Yeah, this one liked clothing. Oh no, that's a nicer one.
Yeah, there we go. It's not for me, but you
No,
might like
it's-
that.
Let's see what size it is.
There's some sort of a mystery
XL
bag.
too. Oh,
XL?
Yeah,
Okay.
this is almost it's like a men's or it's actually a dress, I think, or it could be a who knows.
Now, this one's kind of like a little mystery bag. There's something in it. I don't have any idea. Oh, it's a bunch of little earrings and things like that. There's three or four pairs in there. There we
Good.
go.
Look.
This is another one of those like scarf things that fits over
These are
your
like-
head, so
these
we
are
don't
like
have to go into that again.
This is like a scarf pin or a. There's a few different ones in here.
What are these for? More? Are these for hanging stuff up? I don't know. Oh, yeah.
What is that one?
It's a hips trainer.
What's that? What's it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's like a
Promote-
Thigh Master.
Promote green bodybuilding. It's like a mini Thigh Master. Perfect.
Oh, these are little for pictures. These
Oh,
are
for pictures. Okay.
yeah.
Good.
You put little pictures on whatever. There's a whole bag of them.
And this is Stand Up Family Company. It says, "Don't suffocate yourself with the package." Who knows?
It's like envelopes.
Here we go. Here we go.
Glasses.
There's the value. We got fashion glasses. Look at this. They're all for blind people because they're all 3+.
See, the 3+ is.
3+, 3+. Look at that.
Yeah, these are all little
What?
envelopes.
About 6 pairs of 3+ glasses.
Oh, there you go.
I think we're at our 50 bucks already, and we're only about halfway through here.
Yep.
Oh, here we go. This is interesting.
Yeah, these are fashion glasses.
We don't need to open this up. We can see this. This is what I'm going to look like in a couple weeks. These are resistance bands.
Oh my goodness.
Build up strength. Excellent.
Yep.
I can't believe how much more stuff we got.
I know.
Here, give that an open, Mosey, and see what we got in there. Oh, there we go. A USB to USB adapter. Perfect. Now that's useful.
Not that the other stuff isn't,
No, it's all great stuff. Not something I might order, some of it, but
but other people did, obviously, and it was a mistake.
so we can clothe the poor after this. This is just a headpiece.
Oh, it is.
Hello.
Balaclava.
How are you?
I think
Yeah, It's a balaclava.
this is wire fencing.
Oh, chicken wire. Chicken wire. We got to get some chickens. Gotta get some chickens. And oh, here we got
Oh, look at that.
this
Magic
is good.
bullet cups.
Couple of bullet cups for
Magic
whatever.
bullet.
Magic bullet, I guess. Yeah. What else we got? What else we got?
The big ones too.
Here's some more earrings. These are said leather earrings, 2 pair. Well, they're kind of cool. You know. Whoop.
Look the other side of them too. No.
Oh, there you go. Nice leather earring. Oops.
Oops.
Whoop, whoop. Sorry about that.
Oh yeah, they're kind of pretty in there.
And this is another dog walking leash. Are they trying to tell me that I should get a pet? I don't know.
But this might be a skip rope. This is a skipping rope.
Is that a skip
It
rope?
looks like it could be.
I have no idea what this is. You can have a look at that, see what we got.
That is. I think these are masks.
There's somebody's got a bunch of dogs that ordered this because here we got a.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
There you go.
Hey.
Look at that.
Hey, there we go.
That's a beauty.
That's a good one.
That's gotta be.
Oh, that's one of those retractable ones. These things are a fortune. These are like $30 in the stores. This is a retractable.
Yeah. Yeah, you'd pay big money for that. I don't know what this is here. I can't get this open, so I'll pass that over
Pass
to
it to
you.
me. These are all little children's, or maybe not children's. These
So
are all masks. Yeah, they're all children's masks. Look, whole bunch of little children's
Oh,
masks.
kids masks.
Yeah.
Okay. Unused COVID masks. And
Yes.
here we got a bunch of sticker sheets with all sorts of different stickers. There's probably 20, 25 of them in there with all sorts of different stickers on them. There we go. We're running out of table space here, Mo.
That's okay. We'll just
So
we got more of them
let's
behind.
get into the last big thing here. You got that knife handy there?
I got the scissors.
Yeah. We'll just do that. Okay.
Glasses. Oh,
For these.
coffee mugs.
Yeah. I'm going to set those down there in case they...
These are. Oh, these are plugs. You know, like what do you call those plugs? Like for phone jacks.
Oh, yes.
I was two of them.
One
phone
into
jacks.
2 phone jacks. Okay. And you'll be glad to know we're getting towards the end of this. Sorry to take so much of your time. Now this is some sort of...
Curtains. Those are curtains.
Well, we got
those
some...
are blackout curtains.
They are,
For a
aren't
nice,
they?
like for oh, they're full length too.
Oh, wow. And they're actually, you can't feel them. I can. They're nice material.
Yeah, they're really nice. They're heavy duty.
Yeah, they
They're
are.
called blackout.
There you go. Is that for when you drink too much? They're blackout curtains? Oh, I didn't say that, Dave. I have no idea what this is. You know what we're going to do? We're going to call her a day. Thanks for joining us. And we'll see you every Monday. My channel is called And Now What? If you'd like to reach me, I'm trying to talk here. Relax. No, I can. Okay. If you'd like to reach me, you can reach me at andnowwhatvideos@gmail.com. I'm Rick. This is my sister Maureen. Thanks for joining us. Hope you had as much fun as we did. We'll see you next Monday. It didn't die.